What is DigitalOcean? In simple terms, DigitalOcean is just a server provider. If you need to host your website, whether it's WordPress, static websites, Django, you can host that on DigitalOcean. You've built a custom app, you can host that on DigitalOcean. If you also need Kubernetes, a managed Kubernetes platform where you can just deploy your applications, then you can also use DigitalOcean. All these are available on DigitalOcean. Once you log in or you create your account, you will get encountered with the DigitalOcean dashboard. On the dashboard, you can create the different things. If you need a server, you'll come here under Droplet, deploy a server. That is what DigitalOcean is. You need to host a website, you need to host web applications, you need a server to do whatever you need to do. Whether you're running a streaming server, you can get that on DigitalOcean. If you also need managed database services so that you don't have to run your database yourself, you can get MySQL, Postgres, managed databases on DigitalOcean. And there are a lot more features that you get here on DigitalOcean. So if you need anything, you can always just look at the documentation. It's pretty well documented. $200 credit. If you need $200 credits, you can use my link in the description, and let me just show you the sample. So if you go to my link, my affiliate link, let me open this in a new tab, Control-Shift-P, and if you go to bizanosa.com/DigitalOcean, you're going to get a free credit of $200 that you can use to test the platform. So there you go, $200 credit from DigitalOcean to test the platform. So if you want to learn how to host WordPress, I'm going to give you the easiest and the simplest way of installing and running multiple WordPress websites in the next video. So make sure you watch that if you want to learn how you can run WordPress on DigitalOcean. See you in that next video.